Hi guys, I am Hasba with WTI, and guys, I really have dull skin, and when I get out of the shower, when my skin's still damp, I apply this amazing product, and I want to tell you why I love it so much. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E, and this is a body oil that basically moisturizes and softens my skin. I think this is amazing. It smells really good. It really smells like cocoa. I do apply it after I take a shower to lock in moisture, and it really helps. It makes my skin look super moisturized. It looks really nice and shiny. I also use it for massages, so anytime I feel like my feet are tired or I had a long day, it's great to give yourself a massage on your arms or your legs, and it works wonderfully. Since I have really dry skin, this instantly works. So my skin looks so different the second I use this product. And that's why I love it so much. And I really appreciate that it comes with a lot of product, and with just a little tiny bit is enough. So if you're like me and you have dry skin and you're looking to find a product that gives you very shiny and moisturized skin, well, this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula body oil is great. It's done a lot of good things for my skin, and I think it can do the same for you too. But that's just my point of view.